Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Save Our Earth Cool app, and this is hosted by Crystal from the Purple Pixie and co-hosted by Theresa over Theresa BDIY. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist in my description box. And this is the end result of my one of the cardboard box, and this came as a packaging stuff, and then I wanted to decorate it with this beautiful black print florals from Dollar Tree, and then it's a contact paper, and I stuck it all around the box except the inner part. And I used one of the black ribbon as like on either side of the opening of the box, and then I actually knotted it. And I'm going to stuff it with some of my color pencils or pens or markers and things like that. So I'm going to use this cardboard box, and it turned out so beautiful with this black ribbon attached to it. I'm very much happy with this project. So let me know your thoughts on this. Again, this could have gone into trash, and I converted this into a treasure. So this is the final reveal of my tin container decor. Like you saw the process, I used one of the soap tin container, and I used one of the black burlap bag from Dollar Tree, and I used that back part of the bag, and I circled it around the tin container using hot glue. And I got this small doilies from Michael's long back. I think it was for $1 or something, and I just stuck it in the center, and using one of the stencil letters I wrote S for Sunsarts. So yeah, I just wanted to create a monogram on my tin container, and I stuffed a lot of white flowers. You can also put greenery. Somehow I love white flowers with black tin container, it goes well, so I thought I should do that. So I'm very much happy with this project. So this could have gone into trash, and now this has turned into a treasure. So I'm very much happy about this project, and let me know your thoughts on this. These are the two projects that I wanted to share here in this video. I'm very much happy with the end result, and let me know your thoughts on this. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.